Great traders. So we're looking at a trade called INL or Investec. We want to enter the share at 95.38 and we want to take profit at 103.81 and our stop loss is 92.87. We're going to do a long trade. On 100 shares we're willing to lose 358 and we're willing to gain 729. The risk goes into the reward twice. So 358 goes in 729 twice. So if you look at the quantity and you change it to example 70 shares, you will still get a 1 to 2 ratio, willing to lose 250, gaining 510. Here's the reason why we're looking at this specific trade. You can see some buyers are currently coming into this level, so it's 172,000 shares traded. But here's the major reason. Due to the technical recession news, it did have an impact on the share, but the share is quite cheap and that's why we want to get it at this low levels here. Indicators are low, might see a breakup happening here. So that is why we want to look at this trade going up, even at the bottom. So the big question is, on an hour chart, you might see a bit of buyers coming in. Now you can see the buyers coming in totally secure and sideways. So bad news, the traders would always like to buy at the bottom. So let's see if it can play out.